Although coding is a very powerful thing, there are some items that you need before starting. And not just tangible items, but also some basic topics to keep in mind. These are the prerequisites to programming. My name is Krishna, and welcome to the Den. The topic of variables is usually taught during middle school math, but in a nutshell, variables provide a way of labeling data with a descriptive name so our programs can be understood more clearly. If we wanted to change all the places in the code that said 21 to 17, we could use a variable to make it more efficient than changing each 21 one at a time. A function is a piece of organized and reusable code that can perform a single related action. Functions in coding are usually represented with a set of parentheses. The last mental prerequisite of coding that is necessary is conditional logic. This may sound complicated, but as explained in the last video, conditional logic means having an understanding about if-then statements or cause and effect ideology. Obviously, everything you need is not in your mind. You need any type of computer, and it does not matter whether it is a laptop or PC. You can have any operating system like Windows, Linux, and Mac OS. Lastly, you need to download a text editor. For our next tutorials, we will use a text editor called Visual Studio Code, or VS Code, where it is easy to write and organize your code efficiently using add-ons. If you want to know more about text editors, you can watch our last video. If you have any questions about the prerequisites of coding, please comment down below, and we will do our best to respond. Thank you so much for watching.